A soccer tournament is about to hand the US economy up to $11 billion, and the first people to cash in aren't the players. It's the small business owner, the food truck guy 3 blocks from the stadium. Here's a secret most people miss: countries don't host FIFA just because they love the sport. They host it because it's a 4 week worldwide commercial for their economy. Millions of fans fly in. They need hotels, Ubers, hot dogs, and jerseys. Every single one of those purchases gets taxed, tipped, and re-spent in the local community. Economists have a name for this: the multiplier effect. A single tourist dollar can circulate through a local economy 3 or 4 times before it's gone. That's how the last Men's World Cup pumped an estimated $17 billion into its host countries. The 2026 tournament, split across the US, Mexico, and Canada, is projected to be even bigger, partly because America is footing most of the massive stadium bill. So, who actually gets paid? Well, of course, the big fish eat first. FIFA and its official sponsors, think Adidas, Coca Cola, Visa, they take the biggest slice of the pie. But the second wave of money, the one most people never see, that one lands directly on Main Street. Picture this: a barbershop 2 miles from a stadium. Game week hits, and suddenly every fan wants a fresh cut before kickoff. A food truck owner triples their daily sales because there's nowhere else to eat within walking distance. An Airbnb host who normally gets $90 a night is suddenly charging 400 and they're still fully booked. A local screen printing shop gets a rush order for 10,000 fan t-shirts. None of these people signed a sponsorship deal with FIFA. They just happen to own a business near the action. Hotels see bookings jump by 300%, ride shares 250%. Local restaurants can see an increase of 180%. But, and this is important, hosting isn't free money. Cities spend hundreds of millions building or renovating those stadiums, and some economists who've studied past World Cups and Olympics found the long term boost is much smaller than the hype suggests, especially once you subtract the construction costs and the loans that taxpayers have to pay back for years. So, it's not a guaranteed jackpot for an entire city, it's a guaranteed jackpot for whoever is prepared, for the businesses that already exist nearby, ready to catch the wave the moment it hits. So if you're thinking I don't own a business, you're missing the point. This is a perfect case study in how big events create small opportunities. Think about pop up merch stands, renting out parking spots in your own driveway, reselling official gear, freelance photography for out of town fans. For a few weeks, every World Cup host city becomes a miniature economy inside the main economy. The earlier you understand how that money actually flows, the sooner you can position yourself to catch a piece of it. This isn't just about soccer, it's about a pattern that repeats itself with every Super Bowl, every major concert, every convention that rolls into town. It's a blueprint for opportunity. The next time a massive event comes to your city, don't just watch the game, watch the money. You'll see a completely different story playing out just beyond the stadium lights. The next time a huge event comes to your city, don't ask, should I go? Ask, where is the money flowing? That's the question successful businesses ask first. If this changed how you think about big events, like the video, subscribe for more money insights, comment which event your city should host next, and share this with someone who loves business.